I'm Michael McCann with ALLDATA. We are at SEMA 2019. We provide online information for ALLDATA collision and repair shops. We have all OEM information online, 1982 and newer. You can go to our website, ALLDATA.com. When you log in, you can access your OEM information through various portals. I can go in and see all of my information. I can search by VIN number, or I can drill down your make and model. I can also see a list of my previously viewed vehicles. So, we look at everything as if it's a bookmark to show our detailed information listed out, again, directly from the manufacturer. You can go down and look at each tab, or you can use the search feature online to find quick items. If we wanted to look for something like a water pump, for example, we can just type in whatever we're looking for. It's going to drill down to that specific information. We can see if there's parts and labor, service and removal. It's going to give us step-by-step information for that procedure. Also, our wire diagrams, we have OEM wire diagrams and color interactive wire diagrams. You're able to drill down to a specific component. You can also highlight those wires and gray out the wires in the background to make it easier tracing. There's even an in-diagram search if necessary. Another service that we provide is our hotline service. We have a community of over 400,000 technicians. If somebody needs help, they can go right into our community and search for a particular item that they're struggling with. I can go in here and look for probable causes and fixes on various vehicles. I can even go in and look at a diagnostic bulletin. This will give me detailed specifics on that particular issue. If there's multiple codes, if there's related issues, related vehicles, probable causes. There may even be a YouTube attached. We also will provide you with pictures, aftermarket and OEM parts information, skill level, and labor time. Also, our library has access to vehicles ranging back to 1909 if necessary. Reach out to us at ALLDATA.com or come by the SEMA booth. Thank you.